Oh, hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to go over how chromium improves insulin and helps with weight loss. So what is chromium to begin with? Chromium is a trace mineral that the body needs in small amounts. It plays a big role in how insulin works. Insulin is the hormone that helps move sugar from the bloodstreams into the cells. When someone has insulin resistance, their cells stop responding to insulin, and this leads to high sugar levels in their bloodstream. So chromium and berberine help with blood sugar control, but they do that in different ways. Chromium helps insulin work efficiently so that glucose gets into the cells instead of hanging out in the bloodstream for too long. And over time, chromium was found to reduce insulin resistance. Now, berberine, on the other hand, prevents sugar spikes, and it does that by slowing down the absorption of sugars in the gut. So which one is better? Chromium and berberine don't compete. Now, this is a very important point. They work together and they complement each other. If you're trying to manage your blood sugars naturally, a combination of both, along with exercising and a healthy diet, can be a powerful strategy to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugars in your bloodstream. So let's dive into this presentation and see what we have. This slide here is a very important one. And it goes over how chromium enhances insulin functions and glucose uptake. So let's break it down. When blood sugar levels rise, as you can see, cells absorb chromium from the bloodstreams. Inside the cell, chromium binds to a protein called chromodulin, and they form what's called a chromodulin complex. And this is illustrated here in this image C. This complex enhances the interaction of insulin with its receptor. And that makes the glucose channel in the cell open up quickly and stay open longer. And this allows more glucose to enter the cells. So once the cell absorbs enough glucose, chromium is released back into the bloodstreams, and it is eventually filtered out, eliminated, and excreted via urine. So now in people with diabetes and insulin or insulin resistance, there is often a chromium deficiency, and this makes it harder for insulin to function properly. Because diabetics require more insulin, they also require more chromium to lower their blood sugar. So anyone who is insulin resistant, pre-diabetic, or type 2 diabetes is strongly advised to have their chromium level tested to check for potential deficiencies. So the next slide is some food sources. The best source for chromium is broccoli and spinach, and you can mix them up. There's a whole bunch of others. You can pause the video or screenshot this slide here. And as for supplements, Chromium Picolinate, that is the most absorbable form that you can find today. The dose that you will be looking to take safely is anywhere from 200 to 500 milligrams with meals. And the best thing to do is to get your blood tested. If you suspect insulin resistance or you are in the pre-diabetic or diabetic range, you definitely want to get your chromium test, and then you can adjust the chromium supplements accordingly. And these are my references. And as always, drop your questions in the comment section. And thank you so much, and goodbye.